Hi, welcome back to Team Woolly Sheep Reviews. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Really? Anyway, the Aeromax OSD. Very simple. Once you get to grips with how to set it up, no issues at all. Seems bomb-proof compared to the MWOSD, 100 times easier. So I'll just give you a quick glance of what I had to do. Right, as you can see, it's sitting there. I've got the pins all laid out. For those eagle eyes out there, this is a slightly different one because the previous one I had vertical pins, and obviously I couldn't get the lid on, but it was good for representation. That other one will, by the way, will go into my NASA kit. It is actually the NASA one. Now, as you can see, it's all connected up. I'm not using all the pins. That's all I've got there is my voltage input from the battery, which is connected. And I got my video in, video out, which you saw I made with the lead. So if ever I wanted to drop it out, I just unplug that, plug it straight in. So if this gives me any problems, I can plug the camera in and carry on. Connections here is the RX and TX, the communication telemetry connections, and a 5-volt supply, and it is as simple as that. What I did find is the FTDI, the little circuit board that I did have here somewhere. I think my wife had tidied up. What I did find is that I had a bit of grief with that FTDI interface in the beginning, but once I've got the replacement, which seems to be quite common, the more I look, the more I find them now. With that in play, no worries at all. Getting the drivers, getting it all sorted, works a treat. Simply plug it in and update it to what you're connecting it to, and you're away. Give me the thumbs up. I need some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I also need subscribers. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to do with this OSD is I'm going to add the GPS module to the flight controller. Oh yes, we need GPS. Like I said, this is my long-ish range setup. So it's a quad, an adventure quad. Rather than racing on the track, it's got the abilities to fly a little bit further. This is about a little bit more penetration through the trees and a bit further range, so I can go exploring. So let's call this a discovery quad. I like the word discovery. So this is the RAM quadcopter by TWS, and I call it my long-range discovery quadcopter. So if anybody's interested, they are on for sale. 1080 aerials, I think that's what it's called. 1080 aerials. You can purchase them through there. You can also purchase them through Airjacker. So they're popping up in a few places. So yeah, go for it.